How to find Aliexpress promo code. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to find Aliexpress promo code. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Aliexpress is a treasure trove of products at unbeatable prices. And with the help of coupon codes, you can save even more on your purchases. Whether you are in need of electronics, fashion, home decor, or anything in between, Aliexpress has got you covered. So now, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for couponcode.com/store/Aliexpress. Now, scroll through in the interface that you will be led to and search for the offer that suits your preference the best and tap on the Get Code button. I will tap on this particular option. You will then be shown with the code, so go ahead and copy the code and paste it further in Aliexpress official website during your final checkout after you are done shopping. And as you can see, I can now get 12% off on Aliexpress on my final payment. So, this is how you can find Aliexpress promo code. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.